control of your power, you cannot defeat me.
Grandpa, is he...
Ugh, good thing gray matter is so small. I could have been crushed.
Oh, I just want to go back to Ben.
Ben?
That may not be possible.
You really are a brilliant science guy, Phil. And a downer.
It appears the device is fused into an open state. And while I am reading energy signatures for 10 aliens, I'm no longer reading one for Ben Tennyson.